For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Suppose you want cafe-quality drinks at home without juggling multiple gadgets. From my own experience, I've been using it for a few weeks and it really replaced my old espresso and drip coffee machines. With its stainless steel build and 3-in-1 brewing system, it handles espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew all in one. 3 machines in one. This machine is flexible and easy to use. I usually start my mornings with a double-shot espresso, but when I need extra energy, I switch to the quad shot. On weekends, I make classic or rich drip coffee for friends, and the over-ice option kept everyone refreshed during a hot afternoon. It also brews sizes from 6 ounces to 18 ounces, which is great for portion control, something I really appreciate compared to my previous machines. Barista Assist Technology. The Barista Assist technology makes brewing simpler. It recommends grind size, weight-based dosing, and adjusts temperature and pressure automatically. When I brewed both light and dark roasts, I noticed the flavor was balanced every time. This feature is like having a barista guide you, which is especially useful if you're new to home coffee brewing. Integrated grinder with 25 settings. The conical burr grinder has 25 grind settings. I tested a fine grind for espresso and a coarser grind for cold brew, and both turned out consistent. Unlike my old grinder, which was timer-based, this one measures by weight, so I didn't have to guess the amount of coffee. It really makes a noticeable difference in taste. Hands-Free Frothing System. The dual froth system is another favorite feature. I tried both dairy and oat milk, and the results were consistent. Using the thick froth setting, I made a cappuccino that looked like it came from a cafe. For ice drinks, the cold foam setting worked well, and I didn't need to experiment with manual frothing at all. Customizable temperature settings. Roast type matters, and this machine makes it easy. It has 3 temperature options, lower for dark roasts, higher for lighter roasts. I noticed that my dark roast espresso tasted smoother at a lower setting, while the light roast drip came out bright and flavorful on the higher setting.